Hi everyone, today I want to do a quick video about my glue holder. This is the question I get a lot over and over again in my videos. I guess people can see it when I'm using it and they wonder what on earth it is. And it's so silly and simple, but I'm going to show you how to do it. This was something that was shown to us, maybe you can already see what it is, by Sarah Douglas. She is the CEO of Stampin' Up! And when COVID first began, and actually she still does, do on Tuesdays a video, kind of a Facebook Live for demonstrators. I think you can see it on her regular Facebook page too, so maybe not just for demonstrators. And she did a family one once where she had it at her house during COVID when everything was kind of first shut down. And so her kids were involved, and her one daughter, and I don't remember which one, sorry, made this. And it was such a silly little thing, but it's brilliant. And so I have a couple cool little glue holders. This one was purchased on Etsy, and my Stampy friend Kim bought this for me. So, but it's super cool. But if you don't have a Stampy friend Kim, you might need to make this one. So I have both of these on my desk all the time, so I get questions on both of them, and I want to show you. This one was made to fit this particular glue holder, and this area here is the exact size to fit your lid. So that's really nice. This one is made with these little condiment cups from like a fast food store where you can put your ketchup or something in there. Now, I bought mine at the grocery store like this because I needed them for a kids project, and I needed a lot of them to hand them little, I forget what we were doing, jelly beans from Easter or something, little games, I don't remember. But I had these in my pantry already. But I did buy them at my local grocery store, kind of near where they have the plastic forks and knives and things and cups. So look for something like this. And this would be something fun to do as a group. And I never thought to do it because I made these at the beginning of lockdowns, and I wasn't meeting with anybody. But now I am, so maybe I'll bring this to Stamp Camp and people can have one. So what you do, you don't need this, so this is kind of throw that away. You need this, and all you're going to do is grab your glue. This is a new one. Let me open it. I might as well make another one because now that I'm having stamp camps again, I'm going to be with more people, and it'll be nice to have one of these at the different tables. So you're just going to glue excuse me, the lid to the bottom. So you need a hot glue gun. Now, I don't use the hot glue guns a lot, so I have this really inexpensive one. I think these are super inexpensive at your Michaels. This particular one is like the cheapest one they have. It's very, I think, I don't know, $3.99, really inexpensive. You're just going to put a bunch of glue in here and just kind of shoot it in there. And then you're going to glue your lid. And you're going to want to hold it nice for a minute. If you want to shoot some more glue in there, you can. But you don't really have to. Now I have another Stampy friend who says this is a little tall. You can, cut this a little shorter if you wanted to, or if you can find different little cups, but you want something kind of quick and inexpensive like this. And you just want to glue your lid in there. I'm going to shoot some more. I think I need another glue stick. And even if you don't need some more glue, you might want to shoot some more in there just to make the bottom heavier, so it doesn't tip over, if that makes sense. So this is stable. It's not going to go anywhere, but it would be nice to give it a little more weight. So I'm gonna shoot more glue in there. Now, if you have a bigger glue gun, a more powerful one, you can get more glue in there in the first place before you stick it in. Mine cools down pretty fast. It's not a super high quality. So what happens is that glue is going to hold that lid forever. I'm going to set that one aside and show you my finished one. And then when this glue empties out, it's totally used up, you're just going to take this and toss it, and then grab your new glue, and stick it in. So that is how that works. Now it's not empty though, so I'll put it back. So anyway, super simple, not my idea. Got it from our CEO, and it's just the simplest little thing, and you just keep it on your desk. It's always there, and it is the question I get the most in my email about my videos. Anyway, that's it. I hope that you like the tip, and happy stamping. Bye.